Would you like to sell a house without utilizing a realtor or real estate agent? Hi, my name is Ben Socek, and I'm with 7 Days Cash by the Sear Group and Home Downsizing Solutions home buyers. And I'd like to give you an alternative to selling a house a traditional way. With our company, 7 Days Cash, we can buy houses direct from a seller. So you don't need to worry about preparing a house for sale. You don't need to worry about doing any repairs or updates to get a house into show ready condition like a traditional real estate sale would require. There's no need to do any whole house inspections or appraisals by a potential buyer, which give them a chance to renegotiate after they've already had an agreement with you. Uh, and one of the biggest benefits is being able to sell a house without having to remove any of the stuff that you don't want to take with you. So literally take what you want, sell what you want, and we can help facilitate the sale of the items in the house if they're of value, and leave whatever is left behind, and we'll take care of it. We can also be very flexible with closing and possession dates, that even though we can close as quickly and purchase a house as quickly as the title company can check title and prepare closing paperwork, we can allow, typically anyway, a seller to stay in a house for 30, 60, sometimes 90 days or more to allow them to make the transition to a new home or apartment as easy as possible at their convenience. And so we do everything that we can to make it fast, easy, and hassle-free to sell a house. So if you're looking to sell your house without the use of a real estate agent, just contact us today at 7dayscash.com, and we'd be happy to discuss your situation and how we can help you with your unique needs. Thank you very much.